We're going to walk you through how to fix TikTok not uploading videos. If you find this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe and like the video. This can be a really frustrating issue, especially when you've just created a video and it won't upload properly. If you're still trying to post it, head over to your drafts, tap on it, and try uploading again after a short wait. First, go to your profile page, tap the 3 lines in the top right corner, and open Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find the option to free up space in cache and mobile data. What you want to do here is clear the cache, as this can help refresh the app. Tap on it, confirm your choice, and hit Clear. Once that's done, try uploading your video again and see if it works. If it still doesn't upload, swipe up on the TikTok app to completely close it. Then reopen the app. Sometimes restarting it like this can fix the issue. After reopening, try uploading your video again. If the problem continues, exit TikTok completely and try reinstalling the app. Keep in mind this will remove your drafts, so save them beforehand if needed. On Android, press and hold the app icon and tap Uninstall. Then go to the Play Store and reinstall TikTok. On iPhone, open Settings, scroll down to General, then tap iPhone Storage. Find TikTok in the list and tap on it. From there, select Offload App and confirm. After that, tap Reinstall to download it again. Once TikTok is reinstalled, open it up and try uploading your video again. If your draft was saved, you can open it and attempt to post it. Hopefully, your video uploads successfully now.